Hey, area, I the B, I your side, eh? I the feet today, okay? This is Mark J, and our TV matters like the matter this morning. We don't come again. This now verified, like verified no matter when we say they talk about worry, worry matters. When we say they read the matter for inside worry matters. I know they confuse you, and really legit now they clear you this morning. And based on as the B, as the odds for me, I get one of our Ogbonge Sabi personnel will deal with me this today for the studio, and we will say we will talk on issues, okay, in a health practitioner, and so you go call them, as in anything we get to do with health, how your body they do you, how they feel, they run all those matter, and made for no loss. We could just dive enter market. Then when we come back, I will show you this guy, my brother. You don't want miss him.
Oh boy, now worry oh boy, they hear him.
Normal level.
You dey feel him. Now worry matters.
Come on,
oh boy, not touch him. That's all. What till you define?
Yes, we don't come back, and the person who would actually talk, na him be in a representative of Yin Kong. You don't hear that name before. Yin Kong International. Yin Kong International na one health organization we just come Delta State, and my brother, you need to try them. Okay, good morning. You're welcome to the show.
Good morning, sir.
This is Warify. How your side now?
I did fine.
Okay, I don't need to ask because I don't say everywhere go where they are here. Okay, first of all, what will be your name?
My name is Francis Isu, aka Divine Rich.
Divine Rich.
Yes.
Yeah, mommy. problem. I don't know. There's this name in Kong so. How can take generate that name?
Yes. Person when they hear that name, will know say that name are from somewhere, from China.
Chin. Now there the name come from.
Yes. The name Yikong was established by the Chinese government back then since 1994, and the Chinese government formed a group of people called Yikong Pharmaceutical Group, and this Yikong Pharmaceutical Group was to see to the production of one product where the scientists don't find out where they help people for China, they stay long. Today they say the oldest people for China from in the world, they come from China. So China to try to find out why these people they come from particular village, and that village they call it Happy City in Yanshuo town in China. So for them to know what make these people they live long, they have to enter into that research. And as they find out, they say get one tree where they call evergreen coniferous tree, and this evergreen coniferous tree is a tree that have make the people that are living in that environment to live long, for them not to be sick. That tree has the ability to remove toxins, to filtrate toxins, bacteria, viruses, even that the people, they said it can secrete sterilines within a night. So meaning people that are living in that particular city will not be able to contact bacteria, virus, infections, and other toxins or free radicals from that within that area. So the government, in order for people to benefit, not just people in China, have to form this group. He come from a pharmaceutical group, who they appointed one man where his name be Zhang Renji. He is the chairman of this group. So this man, they say they should use the essence, the extract from that tree to bring out a product that will help people, so that if people are taking that product, making use of the product, they will also live long, like people in that particular city, in short time. So that is how the name Yikong came about. So and since that 1994, my brother, that is over 25 years now. So it means this company have been on for over 25 years. But today, they are just new in this country.
My brother, but you know say last everything you don't talk just now, my head are full. Because now I don't want to spy you like Chinese person. Chin, one chin la. You know here. You know here.
I no
Chief,
from China.
Chief, oh.
Chimo.
Na the matter wey dey talk na be this. Abeg, I no know this una office so. This Yinkong International. Una don get office for already last abi?
Yes, so
Your own office dey?
the office dey for here.
Where be here?
Here. Na for Japa Road. For
Japa
number
Road.
226 Japa Road, inside Regal Hospital, na there the office dey.
Okay. Let me say if person come there now, you go see una.
Yes.
Go see una live.
Well.
Live and direct.
Yes.
Okay, now you said you have an event coming up. No be so you talk.
Na so.
Because last what we dey discuss, you say una get one package una dey run, una get one program wey dey come up. I no know how the package be, how the program, how una dey run am.
Yes, this event, we call this event the official launching of Yinkong International in Warri 2019. It's going to be a super fantastic program that is going to benefit both the youth, both the young, both the old, whether you dey work for office or you dey no matter what you are doing, people are going to benefit from this event. And the events have been packaged to come up on the 8th of on June 2019, and that day is going to be on Saturday.
Okay.
And the venue also that have been chosen is a place that anybody, anywhere, both people that are coming from Lagos, so you dey come from Abuja or you dey come from Port Harcourt, you dey come from Enugu, anywhere you are coming from, you can easily locate it. Na Manuel's place. For Manuel's place inside the.
My brother, in case you are confused, Manuel's place not far. Na Japa Road dey for Warri. As you join Japa Road, if you see Omo 37 small pikin, tell us say they go Manuel's place, he go carry you go there. Na there this event for the happen. But make it for no loss, make we dive, spy wetin dey sup for outside. And when we come back, I believe say our personnel get a lot of things to tell us. Now, if it will be this, now, Mark J.
Oh boy, now worry oh boy, they hear him.
Normal level.
You dey feel him. Now worry matters.
Come on,
Oh boy, not touch him. That's all. Waiting you dey find, waiting you want here. I been a news, I been a entertainment, political information, I been a sports.
Yes. Last don't come back. I will always come back as you go. Now verified matter 9 AM. My guest still full ground. Okay? Now this event where they talk about, you see now on the 8th of June, this event they come over me.
Yes.
And I for Warri here.
Yes.
For Japa Road.
Yes.
Now this event where they talk so, you know say get some people wait there outside there now. They won't hear. Some go say, me I'm busy, me I cannot come, me I'm working. Well, if we come now, if we leave wetin we dey do come as you dey talk so, wetin we stand to gain, wetin we go gain? According to Victor Edi, if we no get money, wetin we gain? You know that song, right?
Yeah.
Na wetin we go gain if we come?
Yes. Now, there are so many benefits. I mean, plenty benefits where people will get from this event. Number one, you see, the hall now free to enter. Anybody can enter the hall.
Okay, point one.
That is number
free,
one.
we no pay money.
Yes.
That will not pay.
You no go pay.
Okay.
The water where they go give you, abi the drink where they go give you, or whether that na food or snacks where they go give you, you are not paying for it.
My brother, now that part I like, but that is what I've been waiting for. Because as I tell like this, so my brother, see, we are shoe, they are not the enter. We must shoe now, last now. So we go shop now, everything legit.
Yes.
Fire that.
For sure. Apart from that one, another thing wey dey on ground be say you go see medical personnel, some medical personnel, doctors wey go talk to you about your health, wey go tell you wetin and wetin you suppose to dey do, wetin you suppose to dey eat for you to be healthy. Some people don't know what they are supposed to eat. Some people are eating.
And they shop loud.
Yes. Tomorrow they go dey sick anyhow. So there's going to be a special health talk that will last for a few minutes. That is one of the benefits. Remember, they say health is wealth. Now wetin they talk. Now only person wey dey healthy na if he make money. Then another benefit wey people wey go come for that event go get na the cocoa. me I call am the koko.
That the main
The main
left that the left.
Yes, that is one of the problems that people suffer. We say we have come to solve it, and we call it the cancer of the pocket, money palava. So how can you solve that problem? How can you see? We are going to see life, how possible it is for you to create additional means of income for yourself. When I say additional means of income, I mean you go dey make money in addition to the one wey you dey get from wetin you dey do. Whether you dey work o, you dey do job or you get business o.
Normally if you dey drive keke, you dey drive motor, you dey get money at the end of the day. This one na just be like plus, and be addition.
Thank you. Na so e be. So you go see how you go take dey get whether na 20,000. I know say nobody wey no go like better thing. So if you dey get like 20,000, 50,000 naira or 100,000, some people dey even get 200,000 every week. Na every Friday. You go see the package, how they go tell you, teach you, show you how you can make this money every week without it affecting that one, that your business, that your job wey you already do. Bros, you understand wetin I dey talk?
I dey feel you na the money say dey sweet me na.
The money wey you go dey
I dey calculate.
This business wey they go show you, teach you, no go affect or disturb that job or that business, that your keke.
And that part dey very important.
So meaning you go dey do your job, whether you dey work inside office, you go fit do this one also. Whether you dey work inside bank or you dey drive keke or you dey sell market for market o, you go still dey do this one dey make additional money. Meaning everybody can do it. So there is no barrier. Whether you get certificate or you no get, whether you graduate from school or you no graduate, come. Whether you are 70 years or 80 years or you are 20 years or even 15 years, come. The program is for everybody.
Okay, last now. You don try based on you dey with us since for studio. We know say e no easy. But you know say e get some people wey be say they wan do this thing wey you talk now. They wan do am because of this empowerment side wey you don talk now. So some people don wan use hear say 20 cards join their age. Now like me na my blood dey hot. Like people now wey dey outside now wey wan see this your package, how they go take reach una now? Because believe me, some people go like reach una before the program. So how they go take reach una now?
You fit come to our office o. If you dey within Warri, you fit come to Japa Road for number 226 Japa Road for inside Regal Hospital.
Number 226
226
Road. For Regal Clinic. So na there their office dey.
Then another one, you fit call our number. The number wey you go fit reach us dey for the screen. You fit write am. You fit call us. You fit also send us message for WhatsApp. Anytime wey you wan reach us, we dey available. And we don see say this one no be people wey wan come play you wayo or people wey go come collect money from you tomorrow you no go see them. This one we dey ground, we full ground for Warri here. Come to Regal Hospital, you go see us. You fit ask anybody wey dey work there, whether the security or any of the nurse wey you see for inside the hospital, they go show you our office for them. Then we also still get other benefits wey you go get. You get plenty more benefit wey you go get if you come this event. So make yourself available to get this benefit. We don say we go give you food free o. You go get everything you need. Special health talk, you go get am. Apart from that one, e get what we call raffle draw. Raffle draw, people go stand the chance of winning some items, some gift item. Some of those gift items go even some go be 5,000, some 6,000, some even more than 10,000. Some people go carry and go home. Then some people go also get this our product wey we say we dey use dey cure people wey dey suffer from different disease. You go get those products, fit get some sample wey you go use go take care of yourself. You fit get am free for this event. Whether you dey suffer from diabetes o, abi infection or weak erection or low sperm count or arthritis or even rheumatoid arthritis or rheumatism, come, we go see solution. We go give you get time, even meet the doctor, ask questions wey you feel you wan know. We come here to give you solution to your problem. Our slogan is happy and healthy every day. And if you are happy, if you are part of this program, you are going to be happy. And another one is that we are making life easy and sweet for all of us. So coming to be part of this program, you go see how you go fit earn 20,000 naira, 50,000 naira. Sunday earn 100,000 every week. Sunday earn 200,000.
Okay.
Bros, na so e be.
Na I dey feel you. Last, una don hear am. The money part I know say dey sweet you as e dey sweet me. Make you for no loss. Last we go draw the curtain here. But I wan make you put one thing for your mind. So na person wey e be say dey well, na dey fit dey go hustle to take care of your family. If your body no tight, because say you don arrange a bucket dey, romanticism dey, you get as e dey be, my brother. Okay, this na Wafi TV and na qualified matter with this. Last until we come your way, we go still come back. You go dey see us now. You go dey see us too much. Baba, thank you.
Thank you.
Too much.
Wetin you dey find? Wetin you wan hear? Abi na news, abi na entertainment, political information, abi na sports. Wafi TV go give you the best, anytime, any day. Wafi TV go give you the best, the best. Wafi TV.